We are giving away this beautiful FD RX7. Yes, you guys heard that right. The FD RX7 is going home to one of you guys. We dropped a whole new collection. Head over to eliminate.com, support Eliminate, and win yourself this beautiful car. We got the boys here. What are we doing today? We out, boys! Let's go! What the hell? Where are we going, Thomas?
This is right here.
Whoa, this is not top rank, bro. Are you guys ready? This is the moment right now. I can't wait for you guys to see the car.
I've been waiting for this moment my whole life.
We're here, make a left right here. Where that Supra is.
Oh, look at that.
That's a Supra. That's a Supra.
I didn't see anything. Alright, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, this is crazy. It's
right
here.
You ready? Hold on, let me feel
It's
that.
here.
Oh, it's beautiful!
God damn. Bro.
Here it is. The NSX, baby. Kevin,
This is it, bro.
congrats, bro.
Is it shiny or just woke up? I've just woke up. It looks a lot shiny.
Kevin Jude's Acura
It's
NSX.
clean. Perfect.
I don't think you guys know this, but I own this car too. I'm gonna drive this car more than you.
Just it, you know.
Oh! I like how we're surprised that it works because none of our cars ever work.
Oh my.
This is yours, bro. You've worked your ass off. Dude, hey, it's been a good 5 fucking years, bro. Oh my god! My best friend's got an NSX! Woo! Here's how it sounds like when there's a little bit of dirt in there. Once you give it like a good hit, you don't hear a single thing. That's how you know it's working. It's picking up all the dirt.
Oh, hell. Is it recording?
Yeah.
I see your yes. You did really good.
We're back, guys. Let's get started with the first mods for the NSX.
Oh.
Here's the new LED. Much better. KJ just installed this new carbon fiber radio bezel and this doubled in with Apple CarPlay. And I love this. It makes it easier to get in and out, and it's solid. Let's open up the exhaust. Oh, the box is bigger than you! KJ holding the box. Oh.
You guys are the same height.
And Randy holding the bar. Here it is, guys. My Pride exhaust, V2, titanium, RFL.
What does that mean?
I have no idea.
Oh!
Yeah, it's really light.
What the fuck? No, this hell light. Look.
All right, guys, here is the full exhaust system. Oh, that sounds good! What the? That's idle?
I guess so.
All right, let's let it warm up real quick, and then we'll give you guys a little rev. 420 NSX.
420, dude.
Oh my god!
Man, my new Eliminate hoodie just came in. I hope I win this giveaway. No more walking, no more taking the bus. I can only imagine already.
You ready, KJ?
Today's the day.
What are we doing?
We are installing the coilovers, but with a twist.
Compressor is all done, tank is all set up. We've got the tank sitting right here, and hidden under here is the compressor. And one thing that Luke always installs to the compressors are vibration isolators. You can't see it, but if you mount the compressors directly to the metal, it'll make a lot of noise. Having the isolators in between actually makes it a lot more quiet. And this is it. Now that the tank and compressor is installed, we are gonna be installing
Coilovers.
Yes, but the coilovers have this special device on top. This is the air cup. Here it is, guys. The Acura NSX is finally done with the new ZR10s, courtesy of Work Wheels, and it looks amazing at its new ride height. And Luke, will you do the honors?
Yeah.
You ready, guys? This is the first time airing up on the cups. That is quick. Woo! I want to take this quick moment to thank BC Racing Coilovers for sponsoring our builds on this channel. And I also want to thank Bag Riders for hooking us up with the tank and compressor, as well as Work Wheels for the ZR10s. KJ is gonna show up any minute now, guys. Let's see what he thinks about the NSX.
It's too touchy. I haven't seen it yet. I can feel it though.
2, 1.
Oh shit!
The new and improved
Dude, that's so low.
Acura NSX on BC Coilovers.
Dude.
So there's a button right here.
Oh shit! It looks like my stock ride height now. Oh, that sound, bro!
One more time.
That sound, try to get.
Oh, tank's empty, tank's empty.
Hold on. We're out of here. the NSX is back from paint. Check it out. Front fenders are on. TNT absolutely killed it. Last time the carbon fenders had a hard line across. They went through and they blended it and it looks good, I mean. But over here, TNT also painted KJ's new side skirts. KJ's also got a front lip.
The paint is hella nice, bro.
It looks good, huh? It looks good, huh?
Yeah. It's a little mod, bro.
Sheesh!
Makes me feel good.
Makes me feel good.
I know.
And there you go. The whole side skirt literally just slides forward and comes out. You guys probably guessed it as well. This side skirt will also slide on and clip in as well. That side needs to be modified just a little bit. So, you know what? Let's do it. Damn, bro, that shit looks hard as fuck.
For real, right?
Actually, it's pretty soft right now.
Oh!
Oh, you guys were talking about that. Yeah, it does look hard as fuck. Yo, KJ, that shit looks fucking sick, bro. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're saying goodbye to one of the most important cars ever on the channel. And it's the NSX. The new owner is on his way right now. Oh, there he is. Speaking of the new owner, she's going to a new home, guys. Damn, there's so many memories with this thing. What's up, bro? What up? This is the new owner of the NSX.
What's up, y'all?
How's it going?
Wake up day. I'm excited.
All right. Woo. Yeah, KJ's on his way right now too. Any plans with the NSX?
I'm thinking probably powder coating the wheels.
Making it your own, huh?
For sure, yeah.
Yeah.
Making it my own touch, obviously. Currently, I have a 2001 Integra Type R. It's got a built K24 swap. Makes like 260 to the wheels. I use it to like road race at Laguna Seca. But ultimately, this has always been like my dream car, so.
To move from those to this one, this is the final boss. Honestly, it didn't hit me until literally right now. As I started recording, yeah, because we literally grew up, like, you know, building this car.
No, actually, I watched the video.
Oh, oh, dude, hell yeah. Right on time. What up? What up, buddy? Good to see you.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Passing it on.
We grew up fucking building this shit, bro. Let's head to the bank. Today, we just wanted to make one final tribute video for the NSX. Any last words?
I'm gonna miss this car too. That's my last word.
Alright, guys. On to our next phase in life. I hope you guys are excited to see what we do next. To everybody that made it to the end of this journey, appreciate all of you guys. And I'm just glad I got to do it with my best buddy over here.
Yes, sir.
We bought our dream cars together. Did you guys think I wasn't gonna go for one last ride with my best friend over here? Two nobodies from San Jose, California. Hey, we really made it fucking happen, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. Until the next time KJ and I roll around in our new dream cars. Maybe one day we'll tell you guys, but we kind of locked it in.
Later. Any last words?
I'll see you on Instagram. Damn, looks so good though.
Time for someone to like really enjoy her, you know?